Instagram, Facebook, subscribe. Go watch my latest video. It's about 4 or 5 minutes. I don't know. Just learn what you can. You know me, Mark Morris, almost lost my teeth. If it wasn't for Miss Mills, my counselor, I wouldn't have no teeth. I have all the prosthetics. That's why my goal is to give you the confidence to go to the dentist one time. Just return to the dentist one time or go for the first time. I didn't go till I was sophomore. So we'll talk about that later. Today, talk to you a little bit about braces. Hardest thing about braces is cleaning in between, because once you get the braces in, they're locked in, so there's no space. So the only way to get to your gums, you have to use the dental floss threader. This is the one I recommend. $10.99, no, $10.99. If you go to Vons, if you can get it cheaper, let me know. Or you use the regular floss threader, which is like basically a plastic thread. You put the floss thread in and do that, clean your teeth. So subscribe if you like what I'm hearing. Those are 2 easy ways to keep your teeth clean when you have braces. I'll talk to you about some more. Go look at my longer video.